So we've got the integral of t secant squared 2t dt. This is a classic integration by parts question, as you can tell, because there's a product inside there. First up, we'll let u equal t, and then du will become dt, right? The derivative of u is the derivative of t. dv, we'll let secant squared 2t equal that. And the integral of this is the integral of secant squared is tangent 2t. And the derivative of the inside here is 2, so we'll pop that on the bottom. To do integration by parts, we first go across, and then we go down over. So we'll say t tan 2t over 2 minus the integral of 1/2 tan 2t dt. So first we did t right here, and then we went across, multiplied it by tangent 2t, put it all over 2, and then we subtracted the integral of tangent 2t over 2. We just pulled this 2 out front as a 1/2, and we multiplied the remaining tangent 2t by, down here, dt. We go across and then back down over. Now to further solve this, we've got t tan 2t all over 2, which that part is effectively done, minus 1/2, and the integral of tangent 2t, what we'll do to solve that is we're actually going to rewrite that. We'll rewrite it as sine 2t over cosine 2t dt. And then here, what we'll do is we'll say u equals cosine 2t, and du equals 2 sine 2t. But because we're going from cosine to sine, it's actually negative, so we'll pop a negative out front. And what we're looking for is sine 2t dt, and what we've got is 2 sine 2t dt, so we'll just divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2, and that will fix it for us. So what we've got is tan, with a t out front, t tan 2t over 2, minus 1/2, and we're popping another 2 down there, and a minus, so it's actually plus 1/4, times, get rid of this times actually, we'll write an integral, 1 over u du for our u sub, and then we'll say again t tangent 2t over 2 plus 1/4 times ln absolute value of u plus c, because this is an indefinite integral. And then finally, to get our answer, it's t tangent 2t over 2 plus 1/4 ln absolute value, u is just cosine 2t, cosine 2t plus c. And that is the final answer to this integral. If you have any other questions, or if you've got any calculus or physics problems that you want me to tackle, please let me know in the comments below.